What's up, guys? Welcome back. Tomb Raider, requested by Rabbi on... Is it Rabbi or Ravi? I think it was Rabbi. Let's make sure. So many requests. Tomb Raider, Rabbi. Yes. I had to write them all down. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, she got cuts on her face. She's looking banged up. So, portrait. Center point of my page about here. Eyes will be above, sort of halfway, right? So, feminine sort of top eyelid, right? Very big eyelashes. Okay, and then the bottom eye there. And she does very feminine, so there's eyelashes here as well. Just here in the corner. This looks kind of like a digital painting as well. So she's looking up to the right hand side. So we go sort of this way. Right, and then her pupil. That would make it look like she's looking at us. Maybe pupil sort of there, maybe. Yeah, that probably makes it. It's kind of like a little bit right of center because she's looking that way. Right, so I think we have another eyelid light just over behind her eyelashes. And she has a light sort of bag underneath her eye. There. Okay, so she has very formed eyebrows, right? So up and over her eye there. And then we can do the top, kind of have just a bit of a hairy line. The start of her nose is kind of in there. Okay, so the other eye, measure her eye, fits in between. So this whole distance, you can fit an eye in between the two eyes roughly. And then we go up, over the top, down the back again. Okay, so bottom eyelid line, going around there. We'll just add some eyelashes to this area. Just make it look a bit more feminine, I suppose. Right, and then her eye again, sort of looking up and to the right. Just here, sort of in the corner of her. And then the pupil. Looking sort of up that way. Then we got her eyelid. Sort of there. And then her eyebrow. This eyebrow goes underneath a lot of hair, so We draw it in anyway. So we have a little bag underneath her eye there. Okay, so maybe like the bridge of her nose sort of coming down here. And then we can just jump down for nostrils. Bit of a shadow just there in each of those holes. And then the skin of her nose just comes around like so. A small, very small sort of nose area. Just like the bridge of her nose, kind of like that. Large lips. So her mouth is slightly open, so we curve it up. Down in the middle, back up. It always reminds me of a stretched out letter M, or the sort of handle part of a bow and arrow. You know, if you're into archery. It always reminds me of that. And her top lips are like real big lips, right? So it goes like up, down again. This is her top lip now. And then her bottom lip. So her mouth's kind of open, right? Slightly. This would be, you can see teeth in there, but like, it's probably better to just shadow it, like leave it black. And then our bottom lip. Quite big as well. Just there. Maybe just a little light chin line. So our chin then. Curving that way. And then the jaw. Like so. You could have like some cheekbones or something just in here. She has a scar across her nose, kind of like here, like a cut, and one on her forehead here as well. She's kind of like banged up. She's like, you know, in the snow, having a rough go of it. Bum, bum, bum. All right, so we can see sort of an earlobe, not the full ear because it goes underneath her hair, and then sort of here as well. Okay, so wind is blowing her fringe sort of onto her face here and then off her face this way. So like her forehead's about the same size as her nose, so we do like a bit of a V there. And then we got like some zigzags going that way, but then the fringe hair spikes. She's got one that comes over her face. Here, and then these ones all come down onto her face this way. And then this is all just sort of her fringe and stuff. Just where's my so kind of just like travels around here. So lots of fringe hair spikes now sticking out this way on this side. She's got some arrows and stuff on her back here. Looking very sort of windswept and right, that general sort of shape for her fringe anyway. So the rest of the hair is kind of like behind her head, coming out from behind her jacket. But say we got like, there's like a bit of a part in her hair, like here, say with hair going either side. And then this goes just down that way. And then this goes down behind her fringe, it looks like. Okay, so we can see her neck sort of here. And she's got like shirt collars and jackets and all sort of like snow gear down here. And there's more hair, loads more hair. So this is all done very roughly. So I think this comes out first. There. And then so like her collar's here, and this is like kind of like ripped and torn on this side. And goes down that way. Then another bit comes around. So the scarf is all sort of wrapped around itself here at the front. And then it goes from behind her head here, just sort of wrapped around her neck. And then that looks like a jacket collar. I think there, give it an edge. And then some more sort of folding sort of jacket lines, maybe like a button here. And her shoulder sort of like just bumps off this way. Just like a shoulder jacket line and all stuff here. And then she has a lapel. So that's jacket collar, and then this is like ripped and torn on her scarf on this side, And then I think her shoulder just goes down that way. And then we get more hair. She's all about the hair on this one. So let's go for this, like real big hair spikes. Just going off the page even. Very wavy, long hair. All just flying off that way. Right, and then her arrow. So her bow and arrow. So the handle there. And then I think just gets wider as it comes down. So it's like it goes behind her back, right? This part does, but the string might need a ruler for that. Where does the string go? It's like in front of her shoulder, but it's under the scarf. So like this is the scarf, so we'll go here. Okay, and then this piece of wood has like an edge line to it. And then we got like 4 arrows. So where do we do this? So like one here. We just do the centers of them first. 1, maybe a lower one, 2, and these ones maybe in behind. So we'll go I'll just do 3 at first. Right, and then so make it a bit thicker. So these is just like an arrowhead. Just with the sort of feather tips on them, you know. And they kind of overlap each other, so you can't see all of them. Okay. Lots of snow and wind and all sorts of stuff in the air. But that's Tomb Raider. Sorry for the delay, Rabbi. It took ages. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.